If you've been thinking about upgrading your tap water at home, this Frizzlife PD1200 reverse osmosis system is one of the most powerful under sink water filters I've seen. The brand sent this to me as a sample so I could share my honest thoughts, but I actually gave it to my cousin to install in his home, and here's what he had to say. First off, this thing is fast. It can produce up to 1,200 gallons of purified water per day, and it fills a 500 milliliter cup in about 5 seconds. That's instant, pure drinking water. No tank, no waiting. It uses an 11-stage filtration process with a 0.0001 micron precision, removing over 99.99% of contaminants like chlorine, fluoride, heavy metals, PFAS, and even microplastics. The 3-to-1 pure-to-drain ratio makes it one of the most water-efficient RO systems out there, saving both water and money over time. My cousin mentioned the build quality feels great, the instructions were easy to follow, and nearly all the tools were included, except for the 1-inch hole driller and a pair of pliers. He said the connections felt solid with 0 leaks, and water pressure was strong with no delay. It also comes with a smart faucet that tracks your water quality in real time and alerts you when your filters need to be replaced. Plus, the twist and pull filter design makes swaps quick, just a few seconds, no tools needed. The only downside he noticed is that you can hear the pump while it's running, but it's not overly loud. Overall, the Frizzlife PD1200 combines power, speed, and smart design in one compact tankless system. If you want clean, great tasting water straight from the tap, this is a solid upgrade for your kitchen. Hope you found this helpful and have a great one. Check out the link in the description or scan the QR code to see my Amazon picks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.